Hi guys, welcome back to A Case of Econ Struggles. Welcome to another Sunday Stata tip. Today I'm going to talk about some things you can do with string variables and some commands you can use to clean out some strings. So what I'm going to do is I am going to show you these different commands. I'm also going to put this code in the comment section below so that you have just an ease of reference if you're looking at string commands. And so let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to go ahead and make these 9 instances of this hello world, just because it's kind of classic. And if I go into edit, this hello world, it's got a ton of blanks both within this word, before and after this word. So this thing here is what we call leading blanks. Got a lot of internal blanks, and then we've got trailing blanks as well. We've also got this weird capitalization, and we've got the number 0 instead of the letter O here. So we're going to talk about how to take care of all of those things. So the first thing we're going to do is just a proper case. And so what you're going to see is if I run this guy and I go back into my browse, what you're going to see is now I've made hello and world both proper case. And now if we do upper and we do lower, that's just going to make it all uppercase and all lowercase. The point of sort of trying to do these things is, especially if you're trying to match or merge data sets, you want your string variables maybe all to be lowercase, all to be uppercase so they match properly. It's a common use of why these string variables can be helpful. One thing in particular with that are these leading and these trailing blanks. So if you want to do leading blanks, it's strtrim. Trailing blanks are blanks to the right, or strtrim. You can also just trim both leading and trailing blanks in one command using this strtrim. So I'll run all of those at once. When I pop back into my browse command, again, you can see here I've stripped the leading blank but not the trailing blank. Again, if I switch to edit mode, you can see that I've still got a ton of blanks here but nothing before. strtrim, I've got the blanks to the right have been removed, but these leading blanks are still in here. And strtrim looks nice. I have no blanks to the right or to the left, but I still have all these blanks in the middle. That's a separate command. That's stritrim, so I can do that as well. That'll make the internal blanks go away, and that'll consolidate it to one blank between those words. Now, splitting words, if you want to do that, it'll split based on the space. You can also do that based on any particular delimiter that you want. So that's just called split, and so if I split that, it's going to create word 1 and word 2, where it's going to look like this guy right here. Sub in string is basically substitute within a string. So for example, I want to replace that 0 with an O, and I want to do that everywhere, which is what this period's for. So I'll go ahead and go like this. You can see that I've replaced the 0 with an O. Now one thing that you want to do is probably you want to do a couple of these guys together, and you can actually sort of string, pun intended, string these string commands together. And so here what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate the word perfect, or the word that I'm going for. And now order is going to matter. If you play around with these orders, you'll see you'll get a slightly different result every time. So this is what I'm going with. I want to replace this 0 with the O first. Then I'm going to trim the internal blanks. Then I'm going to trim both the right and left blanks. And then I'm going to make it proper case. And if I've done it correctly, when I go into browse, you're going to see that I've printed hello world exactly as we want it. So again, hopefully this just gives you a quick ease of reference guide for string variables in Stata. If it's useful, let me know in the comments below. If there's another Stata tip you want me to cover or a command you want me to cover, again, put that in the comment section below. But if this video or these videos in general are helping you out, please like and subscribe. See you next time for another case of Econ Struggles.